Hi! In front of me is Doogee S40, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this Doogee device. Start by accessing device settings. Now you need to choose Security and Location, then tap on Face Unlock and enter your current login method after tapping on Enroll Face. Then read the disclaimer, choose Start Enroll, and read the instructions. When you're ready, choose OK and remember to keep your face in frame. Now I need to choose Home button, and when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. Icons that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!